Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume Tongkat Ali powder. First, it's crucial to understand the recommended daily dosage. Most experts suggest starting with a lower amount, around 200 milligrams, to see how your body reacts. You can gradually increase this if needed, but never exceed the maximum recommended dose. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine to ensure it's safe for you. Once you have your dosage, the next step is mixing. Tongkat Ali powder can have a distinct taste, so many people prefer to mix it with water, juice, or even a smoothie. Stir it well to ensure it's fully dissolved and you don't end up with a gritty texture. Consistency is key, so try to take it around the same time daily for optimal results. Timing can also play a role in effectiveness. Many users find it best to take Tongkat Ali powder in the morning or early afternoon. This helps maximize its benefits throughout the day. Some individuals also prefer to cycle their intake, for example, taking it for 5 days and then 2 days off. This approach can help maintain sensitivity and prevent your body from adapting too much. Just avoid taking it too late in the evening. Proper storage is essential to preserve the quality of your Tongkat Ali powder. Always keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Make sure the container is tightly sealed after each use to maintain its potency and freshness over time. Remember, quality matters for all your purchases. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.